Happy Earth Day, boys and girls. I'm here with my son, and we're in our yard. There's nobody else here. We're social distancing, but we're in our yard for Earth Day, and we are going to make a project for the birds. In the Lorax, the birds all went away. Well, we want the birds to stay. So what you need is a string, some seeds. It can be any seeds you like. I had sunflower seeds. You need some peanut butter and a pine cone. I found this great pine cone from that tree right there, and it was still attached. It still had like a little branch of the pine needles. So the first step is, and I started doing it already, is you put the peanut butter on the pine cone. So maybe Ethan, if you can spread some more of that peanut butter and show them how. Now you could use honey, or you could use, any kind of like nut butter. At school they had that sunflower butter, or peanut butter, anything like sticky and nutty. Okay, good. Good. And then what you do is, maybe let's put some more on over here.
Yeah.
Put it on every side. So, bring out your baby wipes, because you might get sticky. And you'll need your mom or your sister or somebody to come help you. Oh, I hear the birds chirping already. They're getting excited.
Oh yeah. Getting excited to take some peanut butter.
Yeah. Okay. And then what you do, I think that's good, as long as it's covered with some peanut butter. Then you roll the seeds on the peanut butter, and they should stick. Okay, you want to roll some? Ethan's gonna roll some. Great. Now, the last time I did this, I hung it up, and a bird or a squirrel, they took the whole thing. So I didn't really get to see many birds eating it, but all right, good. Ethan, will you now hold the phone while I tie the string? Just hold the phone on the pine cone. What? Move your hand. No, you gotta. All right, like that. And now, boys and girls, I'm just tying the string around the pine cone. Now, if you didn't have the branch, you could just tie it around the pine cone. Now we're gonna walk over and we're gonna hang it by a branch, okay? Come walk with us. Yeah. Okay, it's a beautiful day for Earth Day. Ethan holds the camera.
Okay.
And now we're going to hang up the bird feeder. Ethan, hold the camera so you can see it.
They see it. You gotta hang it on a branch and tie it up.
Yes. Okay, good job. And there's our bird feeder. Now we'll see if any birds come. I hear some birds. So today for Earth Day, we're going to watch and see if any birds come to our bird feeder.